This truck's undercarriage and liftgate were not doing too well. Inundated with rust and failing paint, after a quick blast, it was ready to get back out on the road. Next up is this 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner that had caught fire and needed to be given new life. The front end and cabin were blasted down to white metal, and this beauty was on her way to becoming a show car once again. And our final job is this interesting apparatus that scrapes snow off the top of tractor trailers. Its paint was failing and rust was forming all over it. In no time at all, the snow scraper was blasted clean, primed white, and then given a healthy coating of safety yellow. It's now ready to handle any amount of snow that comes its way. These are just a few of the things being blasted all around the country with dustless blasting. Click subscribe and see more videos just like this one.